Hello, dear students. Standard 10th, chapter number 7, Subhashita Kusumani. Subhashit, good thoughts. So, in this chapter, we will learn good thoughts, and these good thoughts will teach us how to live a good life. So, let's see the chapter. श्लोक नंबर 1, सद्भिस्तु लीलया प्रोक्तं शिलालिखितमक्षरम् असद्भिः शपथेनापि जले लिखितमक्षरम्. Something spoken by good people even randomly also, but it is become like a letter inscribed on the rock, on the stone. And on the other hand, something spoken by wicked people after too much thinking also, but it's become like a letter written on the surface of the water. Shlok number 2, सेवितव्यो महावृक्षः फलच्छाया समन्वितः यदि दैवात् फलं नास्ति छाया केन निवार्यते. We should preserve a big tree which gives us fruits and shadow. But if by chance there is no fruit on the tree, but who can prevent us by enjoying from its shadow? So we must preserve a big tree. Shlok number 3, आरोप्यते शिलाशैले यतनेन महता यथा निपात्यते क्षणेनादः तथात्मा गुणदोषयोः. A stone is placed on mountain with heavy efforts, but it is pushed down just in a moment. Same thing in case of man's soul also. Man has to put too much effort for going up, but just a second, a moment is enough for going down. Slok number 4, क्षणे रुष्टः क्षणे तुष्टः रुष्टः तुष्टः क्षणे क्षणे अव्यवस्थितचित्तस्य प्रसादोऽपि भयङ्करः. A man who is angry in a moment, happy in the next moment. So this type of people whose mind is not fixed, they are changing their mind in a second. So it is dangerous for us. So we have to keep away ourselves from these type of people. Slok number 5, यथा चतुर्भिः कनकं परीक्ष्यते निघर्षणच्छेदनतापताडनैः तथा चतुर्भिः पुरुषः परीक्ष्यते श्रुतेन शीलेन गुणेन कर्मणा. As we know that all glitter things is not gold, so taste is required for reality. So as gold is tested in 4 ways: by rubbing, cutting, hitting and striking. In same way, a person is also tested in 4 ways: by education, character, virtue and work. Shlok number 6, आपत्सुरामः समरेषु भीमः दानेषु कर्णाश्चनयेषु कृष्णः भीष्मः प्रतिज्ञा परिपालनेषु विक्रान्तकार्येषु भवाञ्जनेयः. In this sloka explain us that in different conditions, different situations, one should behave like according to situation, and for that ideals are presented in this sloka. In the difficulty, you should behave like Rama. In the battle, behave like Bhima. In the act of charity, behave like Karna. And in the policy's work, behave like Krishna. And in the fulfilling oath, pledges, behave like Bhishma. And in the act of bravery, one should behave like Hanuman. Shlok number 7, प्रारभ्यते न खलु विघ्नभयेन नीचैः प्रारभ्य विघ्नविहताः विरमन्ति मध्याः विघ्नैः पुनः पुनरपि प्रतिहन्यमानाः प्रारभ्य चोत्तमजनान् परित्यजन्ति. In this world, three kinds of people are there: the lower people, the middle people, and the best people. The lower people, they are not starting any work by the fear of obstacles. The middle people, they are starting work, but after coming difficulty, they stop. And the best people, they are starting work, facing difficulties again and again, but they never give up their work, and anyhow they want to complete their work. So we should behave like best people. Thank you.